Good morning. Happy April 15th. Today we're making outrageous orange oatmeal. 6 ingredients. First, start off with your Quaker old-fashioned rolled oats. We're gonna do something different today. The base will be orange cream Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. Orange vanilla flavor. This is gonna add a little bit of sweetness, give it a different chewy texture. And continue that golden brown base that we love. So add that in, heat it up for about a minute and a half. This is actually a brand new flavor from Coca-Cola. It is very refreshing, tasty. And after those 2 ingredients, the oatmeal and the orange cream Coke, we will be adding crispy, crunchy pumpkin seeds, roasted and salted. I love pumpkin seeds. They're very savory, a lot of umami, chewy. Great source of vitamins as well. Specifically zinc. I always look for zinc and iron, and pumpkin seeds are a great source of zinc and iron, and also protein. Look how that oatmeal came out. Very nice. And then we're going to just put a layering of David's in there. This adds some crunchiness to the oatmeal. Also great source of zinc and iron and protein. And that coats the chewy layer with a crunchy, crispy layer. So we got chewy and crispy. Then we got these cool orange fruits. I like to call this outrageous orange oatmeal. We're going to start with these kumquats. Now, I just like to insert them whole in there. And you're gonna just put a couple. Now, kumquats are actually pretty sour. So the oatmeal itself is kind of sweet and chewy. The pumpkin seeds are savory, have a nice umami flavor, are crispy. The kumquats are actually crisp as well, like the pumpkin seeds, but they're sour. So you have sweet, savory, and sour as well in these 3 layers. Then we're gonna add some golden berries. These are Melissas. And these are also sweet-tart as well, with tangy tropical notes. So you're getting some bitterness with these fruits, some sour and bitterness from these fruits that sit on top of the sweet oatmeal and the savory umami pumpkin. See this? So you're just gonna put in a few of these. 1, 2, So I put in 8 kumquats. I'll put in 5 golden berries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you get the chewiness and sweetness of the oatmeal. You have the savoriness and umami flavor of the crispy pumpkin seeds. You then have the sweet, tart, bitter, sour flavor of the kumquats and golden berries. And those are also pretty crunchy and crispy. And then you're gonna finish it with creamy peanut butter. I love peanut butter. It is my favorite butter, as everyone knows. You're gonna do a hefty tablespoon of that, just right in the middle here. And that's gonna finish off your outrageous orange oatmeal. 6 ingredients, certified C-cubed, chewy sweet oatmeal, the crispy, savory pumpkin seeds, the crispy and crunchy sour kumquats, the crispy and crunchy sweet, tart, bitter golden berries, and then of course the creamy, sweet and savory peanut butter on top. Bam. We have all 5 flavor profiles in this 6 ingredient outrageous orange oatmeal. And we're playing with a lot of textures as well. Enjoy. Peace.